Learning Zili Nishmas Etta Basach Masachas Bava Metzia Perik Dalid Mishna Hey. Kama Tehei Hasela Chasera V'lo Yehei Ba. How much does a seller have to get rubbed out that we say that it lost its value and it can't be used in the marketplace for the price of the original seller? Rameir Oimer is the three of Machlekes. Rameir Oimer Arba Isrin, 4 Isser. That means 4 Isser out of a seller, and a seller is 96 Isser, so 4 out of 96 is a 24th, which also comes out Isser Ladina. Isser out of a dinar is a 24th, because there's 24 Isser in a dinar. So Rameir holds a 24th. Rabbi Yehuda Oimer, Arba Pudjanos, Pudjan Ladinar. 4 Pudjan out of a seller, which is 1/12th, which is also the same as 1 pudjan out of a dinar. There are 12 pudjan in a dinar, so that's a 12th also. So both Rameir and Rabbi Yehuda are saying shiurim, which are much smaller than we had previously by merchandise, which was a 6, and over here the hakpada is even a 24th according to Rameir, and even a 12th according to Rabbi Yehuda. Reb Shimon says it's a 6. Shmoina pudjanos, which is double what Rabbi Yehuda said, a 6, Shnei Pujainis Ladiner. So the Gemara asks, what's the chilik? What's the pshat? Ma'ishna besela de pligi, ma'ishna betalis de le pligi. How come in this Mishnah by a sela there's a 3 machlegas, whether it's a 24th, a 12th, or a 6th, and by talis everyone said a 6th? So the Gemara says, 2 terutzim. Rava says, mantana talis, Reb Shimoni, and Chanami, that last Mishnah is going for Reb Shimon, the last sheet over here, which is a 6th. But the other 2 Mandomrim would argue. Abaye says no. There's a chilik between a talis and a seller. A talis, up until a shtus, if it's a 24th or a 12th, he's going to be machal inish. Because the amri inchi oshek l'gabecha. Because people, when they need something, they need clothes, they'll pay even higher price. So up until a 6th, the person is machal. But when it comes to the seller, kivin de leisagila, if it can't be used by hitzah, a person is not moichel. Mishnah Vav, an mosai muter lahachzer. So in the previous Mishnah we said by merchandise it's achiyira letagar lekreve. Over here the Gemara gives a different share. B'krachim in the big cities as ad kadesh yer l'shulchani. On b'kfarim where there's no shulchani you have ad arvei Shabbos until erev Shabbos. And over here again the Gemara asks, Ma'ishna talis. Ma'ishna b'sela the maflik. Why by a seller do they argue? And Ma'ishna b'talis loy maflik. And by talis they don't argue. So Abaye over here is the one that says that Mishnah by talis is talking about krachin, and over here, and so it's a similar share. Akadesh yer l'shulchan is the same as Akadesh yer l'tagar. And Rava says that there's a chilik between a talis and a coin. A talis, everyone knows how much it should cost. Kolin ish kimlei begabe. But a seller, you need to go to a banker in order for him to know. Kivin the lav kolin ish kimlei begava ela shulchani. So therefore, it's dafka if there's a shulchani where by krachim you add shir l'shulchani, but in kfarim where there's no shulchani add arvi shabbases. The Mishnah continues, Im hayim akira afilo achash neim aser chodesh mekabel men. If the one that gave him this bad coin recognizes that this is the same coin that he gave him and it's not worth it's rubbed out, so then he takes it back. So the Gemara asks, what do you mean? It's after the share of Yer L'Shulchani or Arvi Shabbos. Why do you have to take it back? The Gemara says, this part of the Mishnah is Midas Chasidah Shanokan. And the next line, Ein Le'elav Tarumas, is saying, and if he's not a chas and he doesn't want to take it back, then the guy could only have complaints on him. This coin that went down more than Kedei Oinah, you could still be paid your Meiser Sheni onto it for whatever value it's worth, and there's no problem because a person who's makbid on such a coin not to take it is considered a nefesh ra. As long as it's still yotze b'hitzah for whatever it is worth, if a person is makbid not to take such a coin, then he's a nefesh ra, and therefore, for Meiser Sheni, it's an acceptable pigeon.